guys, today I'm back with another video. I have not been uploading because I have school and I'm really busy. I have a test to, yeah. I'm playing like press button, not guys, sparkles. Sorry about that. And it's gonna be a short video since my battery percentage is at like 10. Two more rounds. Salome! Blinders. Actually, 3 more rounds. Not. Salome! 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 Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. These are limited items. Now we have 2 more rounds, to be honest. After the spreading! Oh my gosh. 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 Oh my. Yeah, we are lost. Access spreading. I have top money, to be honest. What are spikes? Spikes. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no, the spikes. Oh my. I'll try to upload every day if I'm not busy with school. Oh gosh, the spikes. Oh gosh, the spikes. Also, let me tell you something. Yesterday was my birthday, but I couldn't tell you guys because I was like so busy again. No. Just eat my cake. I wish it was still yesterday, so I told you guys it's my birthday. And we have 1 round left. I don't care about me. Jump on the logs to reach the end. Okay. Oh god, I'm scared. No. Yes? No. Oh, I jumped on it and fell. That's not the point, you know? Anyway, I kind of missed it. I keep jumping at the wrong time. Okay. How did you win? It's so hard. Look, this video was so short. Oh, that is for today. Let me collect this coin. Oh well, bye.